Hi everyone! In this video, we will understand tables and scatter plots. A high school student wants to find the relationship between years of higher education and annual income. They interview 7 people and record the data in the given table. Graph the points and develop a linear relationship between the years of higher education and annual income. Then use the linear relationship to estimate the annual income for a person who has completed 6 years of higher education. Looking at our graph, we have a domain and a range, so we'll use our years of higher education across the horizontal axis and annual income in thousands for the vertical axis. Now we'll need to decide on a scale. Across the bottom we have 10 units, and for our domain it looks like we're going up to 16. So if we make each unit a scale of 2, then we'll get all the way up to 20, giving us room to graph our 16. Again, we have 10 units going up for the annual income, and we need to get up to 200. Let's go every 20 so that we get all the way up to 200. Now we need to graph each of our data points. The first one is at 0 years of higher education. So we'll move 0 spaces on the horizontal and then up to 30, which will be in between the 20 and 40 here. The next one is at 4 and 55. So we'll go over to 4 years and then up to 55, which will be about 3/4 of the way on that one. And then 8 and 70, so we'll go over to 8 years and up to 70, which will be right in between the 80 and the 60. The next one is at 10 and 102, so we go over to 10 years and up to just above the 100 right here. Then at 12, we have 150, which falls between the 140 and 160. About right here. The next one is at 14 and 170. So we'll go over to 14 and then up to 170, which will be right in between 160 and 180. And then at 16, we reach all the way to 200. Now we were asked to create a linear relationship between these data points, and we'll find the line of best fit as best we can. Now we'll use our line of best fit to estimate the annual income for a person who has completed 6 years of higher education. So we will go to 6 on our horizontal axis and go up to our line and find that we find approximately 80,000 will be their annual income. We've now finished everything we were asked by graphing the points, developing a linear relationship, and estimating the annual income for someone who has completed 6 years of higher education, and now we're all done.